Is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Comment down below which projects you are currently picking up. I feel like we are nearing a bottom. I just feel that way. So on today's episode, we are going to just do a quick screen recording. We're going to go over two things. Number one, the current market update. Today it is Monday, September 13th, almost 4 a.m. I'm working on an online course. But as promised, we're doing 5 videos a week, and we've got to produce content because I also want to as well. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, the top dogs, and I'm going to share with you what I'm doing. And then we're going to get into our DEGA rewards update. Okay, so we're going to share with you exactly how many tokens the Moose has. So comment down below, how many tokens do you have? Are you adding more to your Cardano position so that you can accumulate more for this ISPO? I want to know. Ask me questions. Moose needs to know. So Bitcoin, we are nearing 27,000. On the week, looks like we're doing good, up 4%, but that is a big deal because if we go on the 1 month and the 1 year, we're doing well. We're still climbing up on the year. Okay, so I mean, you want to be in Bitcoin. And that is not financial advice, but you want to be a Bitcoin and you want to hold long. So it looks like we have another little dip here. We're going sideways. This is reminding me of, the pre-halving, just before 2021. Okay, so it's identical. I do not see Bitcoin ever going back to 17,000. Can it happen? Of course, but I feel like if you are bullish on crypto, now's the time. I feel like this may be the last time you will see Bitcoin at 26, 27,000. Okay, and Cardano, the exact same thing. We have been trading even more sideways with Cardano, though, that's for sure. So we're down 48% on the year. On the month, it looks like we are down 5%. So Cardano's been quite rough. So Cardano has just been, just going sideways. We had that little bump though, right? So remember that? We had that little bump. So even on the year, we went down, boom, 45 cents, boom, down. So another opportunity for Cardano. Cardano is an absolute beast, right? Market cap is going to be 20x in my opinion very soon. We will see a $5 Cardano, I think, by 2025. Okay, so Ethereum doing quite well as well. Toncoin doing very, very well. And that's about it. So, I mean, we're at a $1 trillion market cap, and I think there is a lot of hope going forward. So what I want to do is get into my DEGA rewards update. I think some of you like this, so I'm very bullish on this ISPO. You can even toggle for the Polkadot as well. So for those of you that are staking or delegating for DOT, comment down below. I am only participating in the DEGA 1 ISPO for the Cardano blockchain. So here I've got my rewards, and we've got a calculator app. So let's pop that open, and let's see what we got. Let's start from the top here. 144. Let's make sure we're doing it right. 144 plus 19,795. We're just going to get it close, very close, plus 334 plus 4,548 plus 151 plus 57. There we go. We hit it. 25,000 DEGA. Wow. I thought we were just under it. So that's nice to know. By the way, I'm filming an online course, so that's why you don't see my beautiful moose face. But it's okay. We still produce content. The moose has gotten loose officially on DEGA. 25,000 tokens? That is sexy. One thing I wanted to mention as well, and by the way, comment down below, are you beating the moose? Or is the moose getting too loose for you. What I like and what I'm impressed, I was going to do a solo video on it. Guys, quite frankly, it's already Monday. It's almost 4 a.m. The moose is tired. I've been up probably 18 hours, and the moose needs to get some rest, right? The moose is big. He needs to take a nap. But what I do like, on a serious note, if we go to one of my biggest wallet right here, one of my biggest, you've got this nice detail for your rewards. So let's go through it real quick. And by the way, I will pop up one of my wallets as well. Might as well just do the pool.pm here. So let's do pool.pm. And here is one of my wallets. So what I want to get into is that I have participated in the DEGA 1 ISPO. All right. So if you want, you can go to Crypto Moose, this channel, type in DEGA, okay, and watch this video. There's still time to get in, okay? And if you don't know anything about Cardano, check out the link in the description below. We've got a free Cardano mini course, okay? I've got you covered on all angles. Okay, so this wallet, I even picked up Snack, guys. I gotta say, I'm winning again with Snack. I even picked up another Bubble Jet. I need 30. I've only got 14. Maybe that's why I'm not sleeping at night. I need more Bubble Jets as well. So I have done a video as well on the NFT. So I'm getting all these rewards. So it looks like I started out getting in January, February, March, April, May, June of June 24th of 2023 this year. I started earning about, let's say every 5 days I was earning about almost 500 DEGA. And now I'm getting at least 1100 DEGA. Looks like I had almost 1300 or 1300 DEGA recently. So the rewards are accumulating. The duration period is giving me a lot. The staking is giving me the most, but the duration period is giving me a nice bonus, plus the partnership. So check out my other videos. It's really important. And what is nice is that I've got 25,000 DEGA and it's getting the moose loose. So with that being said, everybody, that's all we got for you on this episode. Comment down below, how many DEGA have you accumulated? Maybe you missed the boat, but that's okay. That's all we got for you guys. Stay happy. Cheers.